If you frequently open one particular section of Windows settings, you might consider pinning this section to the Start menu. This way, you can access it with just one click right from the Start menu. To pin particular section of settings into Start menu, you need to navigate to Settings, and here choose the section that you would like to pin. For example, if I access Update and Security very frequently, I can select the section, right mouse click, and click Pin to Start. Windows prompts me, do you want to pin this tile to Start? And you say yes here. And now, if you go to Start menu, you see Update and Security is available right here. You can click it and get into Windows Update and Security section with just one click. If this video was helpful, make sure to click the like button in your browser. Also, please help your friends to learn this topic faster by sharing this video with them. And if you would like to be the first one to know about new videos to help you reach your goals faster, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to check out my other relevant videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We have a lot of great stuff planned in the pipeline, and I don't want you to miss any of it. And if you'd like to get notified about all the new stuff that are coming out, make sure to subscribe to my email list as well. All links are here on the screen. Make sure to click to stay in touch. Thanks again for watching.